In Kenya today, many people are beginning to realize that depending on one source of income is risky. Life has become expensive. Rent is rising in many towns. Food prices continue to increase. Transport costs change often. Electricity bills, school fees, internet costs, and medical expenses can quickly consume a monthly salary. A person may work hard every day and still struggle to save money at the end of the month. Because of this reality, many Kenyans are now searching for ways to build multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams simply means earning money from different sources instead of relying on one job or one business. It means creating several ways for money to enter your life. One income stream may come from employment, another from a side business, another from online work, and another from investments. When one income stream becomes weak, the others continue supporting you. This gives financial stability and peace of mind. Years ago, many Kenyans believed that getting a good job was enough. People would study hard, graduate, get employed, and work for decades expecting a stable future. Things have changed. Technology has transformed the economy. Companies are reducing workers. Businesses are facing competition. Artificial intelligence is changing industries. Young people are entering the job market every year, making competition higher. Because of these changes, smart people are now building several income streams early in life. One of the best things about Kenya is that opportunities are everywhere. A person with little capital can still start building wealth slowly. You do not need millions of shillings to begin. Many successful people started with small side hustles while still employed or studying. Some began with only a smartphone and internet connection. Others started with small businesses in estates, markets, or online platforms. What matters most is consistency, patience, and willingness to learn. The first step in building multiple income streams is changing your mindset. Many people believe wealth is only for people with rich families or powerful connections. That mindset limits progress. In reality, many wealthy people became successful because they learned how to make money work for them in different ways. They understood that one income source cannot create lasting financial freedom. They also learned the importance of discipline, delayed gratification, and long-term thinking. A salary can help someone survive, but it rarely creates wealth by itself. This does not mean employment is useless. In fact, employment can become the foundation for building additional income streams. A salary provides stability and capital for investments or side businesses. A person earning 50,000 Kenyan shillings every month can use part of that money to start a small side hustle. Over time, the side hustle may grow and produce another 30,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. Later, investments may add another 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Slowly, financial pressure begins reducing. One of the most popular income streams in Kenya today is freelancing. Freelancing means offering services online or independently to clients. Many Kenyans are making money online by writing articles, designing graphics, editing videos, managing social media accounts, creating websites, or working as virtual assistants. Some people work for clients in Europe, America, Asia, or the Middle East while staying in Kenya. Payments are received through mobile money, bank transfers, PayPal, or Payoneer. Freelancing is attractive because startup costs are low. A laptop, internet connection, and skill are usually enough. However, freelancing requires patience because success does not happen overnight. Many beginners give up too early after applying for a few jobs without getting hired. The truth is that online work rewards consistency. A person may spend months learning and improving before getting stable clients. Once experience grows, income also increases significantly. Content creation has also become one of the fastest growing income streams in Kenya. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and blogging websites are helping ordinary people earn money from their creativity. Some Kenyan creators now earn hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings every month through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. The beautiful thing about content creation is that one piece of content can continue generating income for years. A YouTube video uploaded today may still earn money several years later. A blog article written once can continue attracting readers from search engines every day. This creates passive income, where money keeps coming even when you are not actively working every hour. However, content creation requires commitment. Many people start channels or blogs expecting quick success. When results delay, they quit. The reality is that audiences grow slowly. Successful creators understand that consistency is more important than motivation. Posting useful and valuable content regularly builds trust with viewers and readers. Over time, trust becomes income. Kenya also has enormous opportunities in small businesses. Small businesses remain one of the strongest paths toward financial independence. Some people underestimate simple businesses because they appear ordinary. Yet many wealthy people started with small ventures. A person selling smokies and eggs near a busy stage can earn daily profits. Someone operating an M-Pesa shop in a crowded area can make steady income. A person selling Mitumba clothes in a good location can grow into a large fashion business. The key to business success is solving real problems. Businesses succeed when they provide convenience, save time, improve comfort, or meet everyday needs. This is why food businesses perform well. People must eat every day. This is also why phone accessories sell quickly, because smartphones are now essential tools in modern life. One mistake many people make is waiting for perfect conditions before starting a business. They wait for large capital, expensive equipment, or perfect knowledge. Unfortunately, waiting too long often leads to fear and procrastination. Many successful entrepreneurs started small and improved gradually. They learned from experience instead of waiting for perfection. Another powerful income stream is investing. Investing allows money to grow over time. In Kenya, more people are now learning about money market funds, treasury bills, treasury bonds, stocks, and Sacco shares. Investments are important because they help create passive income and financial security. A money market fund is one of the easiest investments for beginners. Many money market funds in Kenya allow people to start with very little money. Some accept as low as 100 Kenyan shillings. These funds usually offer better returns than ordinary savings accounts. Instead of leaving money idle in a mobile money account, some people now transfer part of their savings into money market funds every month. Treasury bills and treasury bonds are also becoming popular among Kenyans who want safer investments. These are government securities where investors lend money to the government and receive interest in return. While returns may not make someone rich quickly, they provide stability and help preserve wealth. Real estate is another important income stream. Many Kenyans dream of owning rental properties because rent provides consistent monthly income. Real estate can include apartments, bedsitters, hostels, shops, or urban businesses. Some investors buy land and wait for prices to appreciate before selling. Others construct rental units gradually over several years. Real estate requires patience because growth usually happens slowly. However, it can create long-term wealth and financial stability. A single rental property can eventually generate enough income to cover household expenses. Multiple properties can create complete financial freedom. The internet has also opened opportunities for digital products. A digital product is something created once and sold repeatedly online. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, printable planners, and business guides. Once uploaded online, digital products can continue generating income automatically. Imagine creating an ebook teaching people how to start a small business in Kenya. If the ebook sells for 500 Kenyan shillings and 100 people buy it, that becomes 50,000 Kenyan shillings from one product. If sales continue monthly, the income becomes recurring. This is why digital products are becoming attractive to many people. Artificial intelligence is creating even more opportunities. Many people now use artificial intelligence tools to write content, create marketing materials, design graphics, and improve productivity. Instead of fearing technology, smart individuals are learning how to use it for growth. A freelancer using artificial intelligence can complete tasks faster and serve more clients. A content creator can produce ideas quickly. A business owner can automate customer support and marketing. Still, artificial intelligence should not replace real skills. The most successful people combine technology with creativity, communication, and critical thinking. Human value remains important. Clients and customers still prefer people who understand emotions, culture, trust, and relationships. Building multiple income streams also requires proper money management. Many people increase income but remain financially stressed because they spend everything. Lifestyle inflation becomes a problem. When income rises, expenses rise even faster. Someone earning an extra 20,000 Kenyan shillings may suddenly upgrade phones, increase entertainment spending, or move into expensive apartments. Without discipline, higher income does not create wealth. Savings are important because they provide protection during emergencies. A medical issue, business loss, or job loss can happen unexpectedly. Emergency savings reduce panic during difficult moments. Financial experts often advise people to build savings capable of covering several months of expenses. Discipline is also important when managing debt. Debt can either help or destroy financial growth. Productive debt helps generate income. For example, borrowing money to expand a profitable business may increase future earnings. Destructive debt involves borrowing for unnecessary lifestyle expenses that do not produce value. Many people fall into financial stress because of loans used for luxury spending. Time management becomes very important when handling multiple income streams. Many people become overwhelmed because they try balancing too many activities at once. A person working full-time while managing a side hustle must learn proper scheduling, waking up earlier, reducing unnecessary entertainment, and focusing on priorities become necessary. Burnout is another challenge. Some people become obsessed with making money and forget rest, family, and health. Wealth is important, but health and relationships are equally important. Long-term success requires balance. Rest improves productivity and mental clarity. Family support also helps during difficult periods. Another important lesson is patience. Many people want instant success. Social media often creates unrealistic expectations. Young people see luxurious lifestyles online and feel pressured to become rich quickly. This pressure causes poor decisions, scams, and risky investments. Real wealth usually takes time. Businesses require growth. Investments compound slowly. Audiences develop gradually. Skills improve with practice. Kenya has unfortunately experienced many online scams targeting people desperate for fast money. Some schemes promise unrealistic profits within days or weeks. Others pretend to offer investment opportunities but disappear after collecting money. Building wealth honestly may seem slower, but it is safer and more sustainable. Networking also plays a major role in building income streams. Relationships open opportunities. Many business partnerships, clients, and job opportunities come through connections. Networking does not mean pretending to be important. It means building genuine relationships with people, learning from others, and helping where possible. Young people in Kenya today have opportunities that previous generations never had. Smartphones, affordable internet, social media, and mobile money systems have transformed business and communication. A person in a small town can now reach customers across the country or even internationally. Knowledge is also widely available online. People can learn business, marketing, design, coding, and many other skills through free or affordable online resources. Women in Kenya are also increasingly building successful income streams. Many women now run online businesses, beauty brands, fashion stores, catering businesses, consulting services, and digital platforms. Social media has especially created opportunities for women entrepreneurs to market products directly to customers without expensive physical shops. Rural areas also offer business opportunities. Agriculture remains one of Kenya's largest economic sectors. Poultry farming, dairy farming, fish farming, vegetable farming, and fruit farming continue creating income for many families. Value addition is becoming increasingly important. Instead of selling raw products cheaply, some entrepreneurs process and package products for better profits. For students, building income streams early can create long-term advantages. A university student learning freelancing or content creation gains experience before graduation. By the time employment opportunities appear, that student may already have independent income. This reduces pressure and increases confidence. Retired individuals can also benefit from multiple income streams. Retirement should not mean financial struggle. Many retirees start businesses, farming projects, consultancy work, or rental investments. Experience accumulated over many years can become valuable in mentoring or consulting. Technology will continue changing the future of work in Kenya. Remote work is increasing globally. Artificial intelligence will automate certain jobs while creating new opportunities. Digital entrepreneurship will continue growing. People who adapt early will benefit the most. Continuous learning is becoming necessary. Skills that are valuable today may change in the future. Financial freedom does not happen because of luck alone. It happens because of decisions repeated consistently over time. Small actions matter. Saving regularly matters. Learning skills matters. Investing wisely matters. Starting small businesses matters. Improving productivity matters. Being patient matters. A person earning 30,000 Kenyan shillings monthly can still begin building wealth slowly. Another earning 100,000 Kenyan shillings can remain broke because of poor habits. Wealth is not only about income size, it is also about discipline, planning, and consistency. Many people delay taking action because they fear failure. Yet failure is part of growth. Every entrepreneur experiences mistakes. Every freelancer faces rejection. Every investor experiences uncertainty. Successful people continue learning instead of quitting. Experience becomes wisdom over time. Building multiple income streams also changes confidence. Financial stress reduces when a person knows money can still enter from different sources. Opportunities increase. Choices improve. Dreams become more realistic. A person can support family better, handle emergencies calmly, and plan for the future with greater confidence. The journey may not be easy, but it is possible. Thousands of Kenyans are already proving that multiple income streams can transform lives. Some began with tiny businesses. Others started with online gigs. Some invested slowly over many years. What connects them is consistency and willingness to begin. The best time to start building multiple income streams was years ago. The second best time is today. Even one small step can change your future completely. A skill learned today may become income tomorrow. A business started today may support your family for decades. An investment made today may provide freedom later in life. Financial freedom is rarely built overnight. It is built through small daily actions repeated consistently for many years. Those who stay patient, disciplined, and focused often discover that multiple income streams can eventually create a life of stability, opportunity, and peace.